Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to wrap text. For example, I will open this image, and if you want to wrap text, we can use the pen tools to create path. You can click at this icon, hold, and then choose pen tool. So for example, I will create stuff from this point into here like this. This for the pen tools. Click again into this point. Okay, in here. Then we can move, click in here, and I will move into this point to the top, and we can connect into this point. Now to wrap text, you can click at this text tools, and then you can click inside the path object, and it will be automatically wrap the text. So you can copy and paste, like I will copy and paste this paragraph. This. You also can increase and decrease the text height at this point. This is 14. And then to edit for path, we can use these tools, direct selection tools. Select the path object and then click at this point. Like you can move to the top, and we can move again here. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to wrap text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.